Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has come down heavily on the Congress on the anniversary of the emergency imposed by former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi nearly 5 decades ago. He is hit out at the Congress, saying that the party has no right to profess its love for the Constitution. He recalled the dark days of emergency and said that the Congress party has subverted basic freedoms and trampled over the Constitution of India. Just to cling on to power, the then Congress government disregarded every democratic principle and made the nation into a jail, is what the Prime Minister has stated. He's further gone on to say that socially regressive policies were unleashed to target the weakest sections, and also said that those who impose the emergency have no right to profess their love for our Constitution. Remember, viewers, yesterday a major war of words was raging on even as the first session of the 18th Lok Sabha commenced. Congress leaders, along with other opposition party leaders, had entered the parliament with a small copy of the Constitution in their hands. Rahul Gandhi later claimed that they were carrying the Constitution to raise their voice against Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah, who they maintain are attacking the Constitution. But shortly before this, Prime Minister Modi yesterday raked up the emergency before the parliament session started. He had in fact slammed the Congress as well, claiming that this is a blot in the history of India's democracy. Before we move forward, getting more details with regards to what the Prime Minister has said today, let's in fact listen in to the war of words yesterday.
25 जून को भारत के लोकतंत्र में जो काला धब्बा लगा था, उसके 50 वर्ष हो रहे हैं। भारत की नई पीढ़ी इस बात को कभी नहीं भूलेगी कि भारत के संविधान को पूरी तरह नकार दिया गया था।
जो आक्रमण प्रधानमंत्री जी अमित शाह जी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर, संविधान पे कर रहे हैं, वो हमारे लिए एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है, वो हम होने नहीं देंगे। इसीलिए हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ओथ लेते हुए हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पकड़ा था। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू। हमारा संदेश जा रहा है, हिंदुस्तान के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को कोई शक्ति नहीं छू सकती है।
All right, there of course, viewers, you've heard the war of words that had taken place yesterday. Now, following that, today, of course, is the anniversary of the emergency, and the Prime Minister has put out a series of tweets lambasting the Congress party. To explain more, my colleague Manohar Kesri joins us on the broadcast. Manohar, over to you. Take our viewers through what the Prime Minister has said today. Also, have there been any reactions that have come into this?
देखिए, बिल्कुल प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आज के काला दिवस पे उन्होंने सीधे तौर पर इंदिरा गांधी, कांग्रेस की सरकार और अब के कांग्रेस पे निशाना साधा है। क्योंकि लगातार आप देखिए, कल जिस प्रकार से कांग्रेस के नेताओं ने और इंडिया ब्लॉक के नेताओं ने संविधान की कॉपी लेकर के संसद परिसर में गांधी प्रतिमा के पास प्रोटेस्ट किया, और जब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह जब शपथ ले रहे थे तो राहुल गांधी ने संविधान की कॉपी दिखाई। तो ऐसी स्थिति में प्रधानमंत्री ने आज सीधे तौर पर अटैक करते हुए कहा है 356 धारा का उस समय दुरुपयोग किया गया था, जिस प्रकार से संघीय ढांचे को डिस्ट्रॉय किया गया। कांग्रेस ने उस समय सीधे तौर पर लोगों को इमरजेंसी के मुंह में कानून का उल्लंघन करते हुए डाल दिया गया। तो ऐसे देश कभी नहीं भूलेगा। और ये संविधान की बात करते हैं, प्रधानमंत्री ने इस तरह की बात करते हुए सीधे तौर पर राहुल गांधी को निशाना बनाया, और उन्होंने कहा, और आप देखेंगे कि प्रधानमंत्री ने ये बात भी कही है कि जिस प्रकार से उस वक्त हालात थे, उस वक्त की स्थितियों को लेकर के आज का परिदृश्य कुछ अलग है। देश संविधान से चलेगा और हम लोग उस पर कटिबद्ध हैं, और लगातार जो है तो देश को विकसित की ओर ले जाने के लिए हम लोग लगातार कोशिश कर रहे हैं। लेकिन अब आप देखिए, इसे लेकर के पी चिदम्बरम जो यूपीए गवर्नमेंट में होम मिनिस्टर भी रहे हैं और कांग्रेस के सबसे सीनियर लीडर हैं, उन्होंने ट्वीट करके प्रधानमंत्री के ट्वीट का काउंटर किया है। उन्होंने भी अटैक किया है कि संविधान बचाने की लड़ाई है और देश में जो है डेमोक्रेसी और फेडरलिज्म बनी हुई है, वो लिबरल है और किसी का कोई नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है। जी
Indeed, and it also seems that we have senior journalist Gautam Mukherjee joining us on the broadcast. Good morning. Thank you for speaking to NewsX. Prime Minister Modi has once again, today in fact, on the anniversary of the emergency, lambasted the Congress party. He'd of course spoken about the emergency yesterday in his speech prior to the parliament commencing as well. He'd called it a blot in the history of Indian democracy, and today he had once again, as he put it, raked up these dark days and stated that the Congress party had subverted basic freedoms and trampled over the Constitution of India, and they have no right to profess their love for the Constitution. He's responding to the Congress's protests that had taken place, them in fact brandishing and waving the Constitution in the Parliament. It seems that even as the elections have come to a close, the Prime Minister is remembering the emergency at this point. What do you make of the lengthy set of tweets the PM has made today?
Well, one of the things that occurs to me, it's an irony that the Parliament has begun at a time which is coinciding with the anniversary of the emergency. Now, it's like impossible for Congress to talk of Constitution when the Constitution was subverted and suspended for 2 whole years. And people were put in jail left, right, and center. And, the democracy was totally and utterly subverted. There were amendments made to the Constitution without discussion in that period in 1975-76. And now for them to wave the Constitution around is a little ridiculous. So what happens is every time the Congress and the opposition comes up with a new plan, the plan is flawed because they don't think of everything. And in the process, they have given an opportunity to the government to show them up most thoroughly. Yogi Adityanath has also spoken today. The Prime Minister has spoken. J.P. Nadda, who is now been declared the leader of the Rajya Sabha for the NDA, is going to conduct a program on the dark days democracy. So all in all, this entire thing has blown back in their faces.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.